Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Pattern.
What does the dictionary say?
A natural or chance marking, configuration, or design.
Math rap.
Things that are arranged in a rule or rules, like 2, 4, 6, 8 goes on in twos, or like 3, 9, 13, 19, 23 for that matter. These are just some examples of patterns.
Math rap.
How do you know if a checkers board and a chessboard are trying to sneak up on you? You'll hear the pitter-pattern of little feet. Explain patterns in your own words. Patterns can refer to a repeat of routines. What things do you do every day that can be seen as a pattern? For example, I always brush my teeth after every meal. List and draw 5 examples of where we see patterns in everyday life. Using numbers, create 5 different patterns that could go on forever. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!